The ingredients needed for this recipe are quite basic, around 2 cups of your favorite type of chocolate, be it milk, dark, or semi-sweet, and about a cup of smooth or crunchy peanut butter, depending on your preference. First, prepare your molds. Silicone muffin cups or a mini muffin tin work best. However, if you don't have those, simply line a regular muffin tin with paper cupcake liners. This will make the peanut butter cups easy to remove once they're ready. Next, melt your chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. This can be done in a microwave, using 30-second bursts and stirring in between, or over a double boiler on the stove. Remember to stir frequently, ensuring the chocolate melts evenly and doesn't burn. Now, it's time to layer your cups. Spoon a layer of melted chocolate into the bottom of each muffin cup, just enough to cover the bottom. Pop these into the freezer for a few minutes to set. Once the chocolate is firm, remove from the freezer and add a spoonful of peanut butter over it. Flatten it slightly to make an even layer. The final step in the layering process is to cover the peanut butter with more melted chocolate, ensuring the peanut butter is completely sealed in. Once your cups are filled and layered, place them back in the freezer for about an hour, or until the chocolate is firm. When the peanut butter cups are solid, remove them from the molds and voila! Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.